so going through that big box we just opened, first thing we saw was the graphics card. And this is the ASUS GTX 770 by NVIDIA. It's the overclock edition, as it says here, which means it's slightly overclocked than the original model. It's 2 gig memory and tells a bit more about the graphics card. The direct CU means that the GPU is in direct contact with the heat pipes and not just the heatsink. And as you can see, the heat pipes go all over the heatsink for maximum heat dissipation. On the top just says the ASUS GeForce GTX 770. Tells you that it's 20% cooler and quieter. On the back here we can see we've got some information about the graphics card, which we don't really need to read, probably will do later. There it tells you the inputs and outputs, well mainly the outputs for video there. And that's what the graphics card looks like. So we'll just go and open this up. So you want to undo the tab on the side here. Just get my knife and cut that. Pull the tab out, flap it up, and pull the box out. Sorry about that. Continue. So, get rid of the box. So now we get this nice black cardboard case here now, with the ASUS Inserts for Incredible logo. It should flap up. Brand new box, won't bend. So now we get this box, another box inside. If we open that up, so this is your adapter for power. Don't need to use that, I don't think, because our power supply does have the right connections. We have the drivers and GPU tweak on disk, and you've got the setup for the graphics card. Is there anything else in there? No, that's it, that's all in there. Just put that back in. Put that to the side. Okay. Piece of foam here to stop it moving around. Underneath is the graphics card itself, so we'll have a look at that. An anti-static bag. On the back you can't really see much, even if you could see through the plastic, because it's a metal covering on there. I'll just show you, open that up. There it is. So there's a nice plastic cover on here, see the reflection of the camera, to keep the metal from scratching. They have the 2 fans on there, and the heatsink you can see. So the heat pipes there. It's quite heavy for a graphics card. It's quite nice. More heat pipes on the top there, and then you've got your bridge for your SLI. So it actually sits this way in the case. As you can see, there's no logo or anything on the side, so a bit disappointing. Doesn't matter. And then you've got your 8-pin and 6-pin connectors for power, and the label ASUS on the top. So I suppose you can see that. As you can see, right in the middle there is where the GPU is. Okay, so put that back.